How to download and install Frollo application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can download and install Frollo on your Android or iOS device. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search bar at the bottom, go ahead and type down Frollo and search. From the search results, look for the Frollo Feel Good About Money application and tap the Install or the Cloud button or the Get button. Wait for the application to install on a device, which may take several minutes. Frollo is the app that is free to download and use. The app helps you see all of your financial accounts in one place, track spending, set budgets, and more. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you can easily launch open the application and start managing your finances with ease. Wait until the application installs and you'll be good to go. So that is how you can easily download and install the Frollo application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.